Student, now there is one more good question. Question number 15. Question is, a window is in the form of a rectangle, is surmounted by a semicircular opening. The total perimeter of the window is 10 meters. Find the dimension of the rectangular part of the window to admit maximum light through the whole opening. So, there is a rectangular part and this is the semicircular window. A window in the form of a rectangle is surmounted by a semicircular opening. The total perimeter of the window is 10 meter. Student, let it is 2x. This is y. And the diameter of this semicircular part is 2x and radius is x. This part is also x. Then total perimeter of the window, let it is P. It is 2x plus 2y plus this part is pi x. It is semi-circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r and semi-circumference is pi r. And since radius is x, so it is pi x. And this is given 10. So 10 equal to 2x plus 2y plus pi x. Let it is equation 1. Now, if area is maximum, then the maximum light will be through this opening. Therefore, area of the window is divided into two parts. One part is rectangle, other part is semicircle. So its area is 2x into y, area of rectangle, base into height, plus semicircle 1 upon 2 pi x square. Area of semicircle is 1 upon 2 pi x square. Student, let it is equation 2. Now we will find the value of 2y from first equation. So from 1, 2y equal to 10 minus 2x minus pi x. Putting this value in equation 2, so area becomes x into the 2y is 10 minus 2x minus pi x plus 1 upon 2 pi x square. Then we will simplify it. It is 10 minus 2x. So it is 10x minus 2x square minus. It is pi x square plus 1 upon 2 pi x square. So it is minus 1 upon 2 pi x square, which is the function of x. Now we will differentiate a with respect to x. So dA over dx, it is 10 constant, x is 1, minus 4x minus pi by 2 into 2x. 2 to cancel out. Then dA over dx is equal to 10 minus 4x minus pi x. since dA over dx is 0, therefore we will get 10 equal to 4 plus pi into x, and value of x will be 10 upon 4 plus pi. Therefore x equal to 10 upon 4 plus pi. Now we will find second order derivative. d2a over dx square, it is derivative of 10 is 0 minus 4 of x is 1 minus pi, which is negative. Therefore a is maximum. Area of the window is maximum. Now we will find the dimension. So dimension of the window, first length equal to 2x, it is 20 upon 4 plus pi, and breadth is y, so we will find the value of y. Since 2y equal to 10 minus 2x minus pi x, then we will put the value of x. It is 10 minus 2 plus pi into x is 10 upon 4 plus pi. We will simplify for the value of y. Now 2y equal to, let us take the LCM. LCM is 4 plus pi. Then it is 40 plus 10 pi minus 20 minus 10 pi. 10 pi cancel. So 2y is 20 upon 4 plus pi. 2 10. So breadth, length is this, breadth of the rectangular part, this is y, equal to 10 upon 4 plus pi. Length is 20 upon 4 plus pi, and breadth is 10 upon 4 plus pi. And radius is x, which is already we have find, that is 10 upon 4 plus pi. Student, now next is question number 17. Question is, so that the height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 2r upon root 3. This is the height of the cylinder. Let it is the sphere of radius r, and a cylinder of maximum height, maximum value that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. We have to find the maximum volume, so that the height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 2r upon root 3. It is the height of the cylinder that we have to find. So now let the radius of the cylinder is x, then this part, it will be, or let this part is 2x. Let this part is 2x. Height of the cylinder is 2x. Then this radius will be root r square minus x square, because this part will be also x. This is the half of the height. It is center O. Let it is P. It is A. Then we can also find this value by Pythagoras, right? It is root of r square minus x square. It is the small r, radius of the cylinder. The radius of cylinder, let it is small r. So small r equal to under root of capital R square minus x square. Student, since in the formula of volume, radius is coming with the square, that's why we are taking this part as a root r square minus x square. If we take height as a, this radius is x, then question a little bit difficult. Now volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h. This is the formula. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here it is pi. Radius is root r square minus x square whole square into 2x. Height of the cylinder is 2x. Then V equal to 2 pi x into capital R square minus x square. Then V becomes 2 pi capital R square into x minus x cube, which is the function of x. Now we will find dV over dx. It is 2 pi constant. R square is also constant. Derivative of x is 1 minus 3x square. Since first order derivative is 0, therefore we will get dV over dx equal to 0. That give you r square minus 3x square equal to 0. From this we will get value of x. It is r upon root 3. And height h equal to 2x. So it is 2r upon root 3. This part is proved here. See, same. Now we will find second order derivative, d2b over dx square. So differentiate this part once again. It is 2 pi, derivative of r square is 0, minus, it is 6x. So it is minus 12 into x is 2r upon root 3, which is negative. So volume is maximum. B becomes B max. The volume is maximum and height of the cylinder is 2r upon root 3.